Born in Paris, France in 1840, Monet was expected by his father to grow up and take over the family's grocery business, but instead he followed his passion and became one of the most celebrated painters the world has ever known, creating more than 2,500 artworks in his lifetime. In the 1860s, in France, Monet pioneered a bold new style of art called Impressionism, a revolutionary approach that used quick, vibrant brushstrokes to capture fleeting light and shifting colors. The goal wasn't to create a perfectly realistic image, but to convey the feeling of the moment itself. This movement changed the course of art history. By breaking away from the rigid rules of academic painting, Monet and the other Impressionist painters opened the door for modern art as we know it today, inspiring generations of artists to experiment with color, light, and personal expression in entirely new ways. Discover more quick videos on famous artists and art movements in this playlist. Then, learn to paint your own step-by-step Impressionist masterpieces with this one right here.